If you'd like to see how I use these assorted gold lovely pearls and transform this Dollar Tree glass into this lovely creation, keep watching.
Hey YouTube! So today in this video I am going to be embellishing this large wine glass that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I am going to be using this folk art metallic pure gold paint by a company called Plaid. And it says this has superior coverage and a metallic finish acrylic paint. I purchased this from Walmart for probably about $4. And it has a nice full thick coverage. This is my second time I'm going to be using this. And I have these lovely pearls. These pearls are a nice like chrome or like metallic shiny color. And they come in 2mm, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's a total of 1,440 pearls. So this is an assorted pack that I will have a link for. And this will definitely be able to finish this wine glass. And then it should be enough to go ahead and add some embellishments to a decal as well. So I cut out these with my Silhouette Cameo. They're 2 crowns. They're 2 different styles of crowns. They're kind of big because this glass is like a really large size. I haven't fully decided which one of these I'm going to use. So by the time when I get to this point, I'm more so leaning towards this one. But by the time I get to the point where I'm going to use the decal, I'll have made up my mind. But I like them both, but I think I'm leaning towards this style right here. So I am going to be using some liquid fusion glue. This bottle is just about almost empty, but it goes a long way. When I first purchased this, I was able to get it for about $10. I purchased my second bottle closer to 12 bucks. So some people ask me what do I think about E6000. A lot of my old videos I use E6000. I don't anymore. I'll use it for other projects, but not something where I have to have it close up on me for a certain amount of time because it's extremely toxic. I'm sure this one is toxic too, but I don't think it's as toxic. I believe it's closer to being non-toxic. There's no horrible smell. It's a very light, mild smell, and it doesn't like burn your eyes, or at least not me. So pick this up on Amazon. That's the only place I can find it. I can't find it in the craft store. Then I have it inside of a precision tip bottle that I purchased off Amazon. Then I have this little rhinestone wax pen pickup tool, and I purchased this for like about 8 bucks off Amazon as well. Alright, so we can go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do, I'm just going to pour some of this paint. Once I shake it up really good, I'm going to pour some of this paint into this little lid here. It doesn't take much, and I usually only do 1 coat. And the reason why I do this is because I just want to have a nice full look, so if there's any spaces in between rhinestones, pearls, whatever you're using, the paint makes it a little more forgiving, nice, flat, full look. Okay, so you'll also need, this is an old one. I tried to rinse it out and preserve it. Don't worry about that, but you'll need a sponge brush. You can pick these up from Dollar Tree, or you can get these from Walmart as well. They come in various sizes. Probably about 4 in a pack, less than $2. Okay, so I'm just going to brush this paint on. Just like this. And make sure that I cover the whole stem or wherever that you're going to be adding your embellishments. So just go ahead and watch me do this. Metallic paint has dried. It's not perfect, and it doesn't have to be. I just wanted to make sure it was all covered up evenly. Now I can go ahead and start to apply the pearls. So I went ahead and just cut it straight across, and I'm just gonna pour, because I'm just gonna pick them up in no particular order. They're all different sizes, 2 through 7 millimeters. So I'm just going to pour them on this little tray just like that. They're so sparkly and pretty. So I'm going to start on this edge piece because I want to cover that area with the pearls as well. The little small ones. I'm taking the 3mm pearl and I'm going to go across this edge. So I'm just going to continue on and do the whole outer perimeter. Then I'll start working on the top base. Okay, so this is how far I've gotten so far here. And there's various sizes, as you know, in this pack. And I went around the edge with the same size, which is the 3mm. And now I'm just putting them in, covering this top area. With any size, I'm just picking them. I have them all in this little, continue to watch here and see how I apply the pearls. Finish. I just have this little area here to complete, and let me show you what I have left. This is all I have left, so I think that's still pretty good. So this is basically just enough to do one glass, unless you have a smaller glass or unless you do a different style or you space them out more. That's all I have left. So these are very teeny tiny. I'm going to work this out the best way I can. Of course, I do have more of these, but these are my inventory, so I don't want to dip in it too much. Gold pearls, but they're like big, and I need those nice little 5mm and 6mm to fill this in. But we're gonna go ahead and see how this goes. I'll work this out because I also plan on adding a decal, and I wanted to embellish the decal as well. Unless I use the little ones, which may take a while, but that'd be really cute. I may have to use the really small ones because I really want to show you what it is that you can get out of this little size pack. So just watch me go ahead and complete this last little bit of this lovely, lovely, lovely glass. I don't even want to show it to you. I just want to show it to you when it's finished. It is looking amazing. But let me just go ahead and get really close here. Go ahead and just watch me apply these pearls and finish up this last little area here. This is where we are now. This looks fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. It looks like it's up royalty. It looks like it's just complete glamour and classiness. But I am going to be adding a decal. Completely optional. You can stop with this look. But if you want to keep going and add a little more glam, then you can add something like this. This is the first time I'm adding a shape like this. I did another glass with the Chanel logo. That would have been cute too, but I just want to try something different because this made me think of royalty. So I was like, let me just try a crown. So I cut this out with my Silhouette Cameo. I think I said that before. I don't know if anyone will be interested in this decal, but I will put it on my little eBay shop just in case somebody wants this. I don't know. Slits in it, but I think I mentioned this before in a different video. Adding slits, you gotta be very careful how you do it though. Will give you some room to bend in certain areas. So I'm just gonna line it up as straight as possible. Like that. Okay. Don't want to have any air bubbles. Because sometimes it could just be difficult. Sometimes it comes out perfect, sometimes it doesn't. I'll see what I have here, but I'm going to be covering this with the pearls. I really don't even want this part on here. So I think what I'm going to do is try to cut that off. I don't even have to have that part. Yes, I'm just going to try to cut, because it's not laying down right. I don't know why. Sometimes I have to fight with this stuff. I think this looks much better anyway. Just like that. Okay, so this is the decal. And it's pretty close color to the metallic pearls. I'm gonna add some pearls to this and see how far I can get with what I have left here. I don't have much, but that's what I'm gonna be using. So here we go. Just watch me go ahead and embellish this decal. I'm just finishing up this decal. It's coming out so beautiful, but I'm laying the glass flat because the rings, the pearls I have at the bottom, I'm laying it down on the table. It's cool because it's fairly dry enough to where it's not going to ruin anything, and I'm holding it up like this. See, like that. Now, the reason why I'm laying the glass down is because it works best for me, because these pearls are pretty heavy, and I had to add more glue. And I noticed they began to slide. Gravity started to pull them down. So that's why I'm laying my glass down. So right now, I'm just adding the last final touches of pearls to this. And I wanted you to just see this last little bit I left here so you can see me finish this off. So all I'm down to is just, this is it, you guys. I'm down to just these little bitty 2mm pieces. But it works because I incorporate the big pieces and the little pieces together, and I didn't know what this was going to look like. I thought it was going to look crazy because I have these big 7mm and then these itty bitty 2mm, but it actually works. Okay, so you see how you can still see the decal behind it? It's fine. I didn't completely cover the decal. It's cool. It's just a nice, it's like you're tracing something out. It's a nice backdrop. I'm gonna try to add a couple more in betweens here where I can see that they fit, and then I'm gonna show you.
Okay, you guys, here is the final result of this glass that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, but I transformed it into this beautiful, lovely, gold, stunning creation. This is absolutely fabulous. I just love this. I love it without the decal, but with the decal, it just puts it way over the top. And I did use the huge and then the very small pearls on the crown, but it still works. And I just cannot get over how beautiful this came out. This would definitely make an amazing gift, or if you're having some type of event, to have this on the sweetheart table, or if you're having a baby shower and you have a certain theme, especially if you have a theme where your theme is royalty or something like this, would be great if you are giving someone a bridal shower gift or a birthday gift, or of course something for yourself just to sit somewhere in your home if you have gold decor. Another thing I was thinking, if you paired these pearls with some rhinestones, like maybe if you wanted to go with like pink and gold, like the possibilities are endless. I love this glass. And I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it on Facebook if you'd like to. Subscribe. If not, thanks for stopping by. I hope you received some inspiration to make something like this or something similar. All right, well, thanks again. Bye-bye.